Hi guys, my name is Cynthia Dimdis and I am going to show you guys how I blow dry and style my bangs. So I love having like a swoopy bang. They're a little longer than what I would like it to be, so I did go in with a curling iron. I showed you guys how I blow dried it, and that is an option for those who have shorter bangs and have those type of fringe or curtain bang. And then also the option of curling it for those who have longer bangs but still want that same effect. My bangs, the way they are cut is my bangs start up to here and then they gradually get longer. So it shows that swoop. So as you can see here, it's shorter and gets longer. But without it being curled, it actually starts here. This is where my bang starts and then gets longer. But when I did have my bangs, I will include a picture when I first cut my bangs and they were a lot shorter. They started around my nose area and then got a little longer. So if you have the shorter bangs, I would just blow dry it and it was totally fine. But now that my bangs are a little longer, I do go in and style it as well. So I showed you guys how I blow dried and how I style my bangs. So if you guys want to see how I got this bang look, keep watching.
So with a smoothing brush, I am blow drying my bangs side to side to smooth out any cowlicks that I have in my front section, and I am making sure that I'm smoothing out the roots. Holding the round brush with my left hand and the blow dryer with my right, I put the round brush underneath my bangs and I use my fingers to twist the handle. So I'm not using my wrist, but I'm using my fingers to slowly twist the handle and working those ends. I'm putting the heat from the blow dryer on top of the round brush and going up and down. And then I am doing that again. I'm lifting it a little bit to get more volume and working those ends again. Making sure to put heat to get it nice and smooth. And then I split it in the middle because that's where I part. Then I go forward towards the opposite side to get more of a swoop. So I bring the hair and brush forward towards the opposite side and then I take it out in a swooping motion. I am going to use this no crease clip just to kind of have my bang sitting where I want it to lay. So I want a little swoop right there, so I put it right there. And then same thing with the other side. I'm blow drying it forward towards the opposite side and then taking it out in a swooping motion. Now I'm using this to kind of shape my bangs. I like to use three. One to keep my bang forward and then the two on the side for the swoopy part. And then I am going to spray some texture spray on it just to give it some more grit and some hold. You guys can use this or a hairspray. And then I am going to take out these no crease clips. And as you can see, now I have a little swoop and my bangs are lying a little more forward on my forehead, which is my preference. And this is how it looks when I blow dry my bangs. Super soft and effortless. I'm going to go in with Ouai super dry shampoo just to fluff it up a little bit, add some volume in the crown of my head because I like my bangs to be more flat but the crown of my head to have more volume. And yeah, this is how it looks when I blow dry my bangs.
Okay, so that's how I actually used to blow dry my bangs when they're a little shorter, but they're getting on the longer side. So now I feel like, you see how it kind of keeps on falling. So for those who have longer bangs, I'm going to show you another option, how to curl it to still have that swoopy effect. So I usually get my curling iron and I start around the eye area and I'm going to curl away from my face really lightly just so it could have that bend. So I start in the center and just kind of twist around the eye area. I'm actually going to do it a little more. So now I have that curl around my eye. You see here it's kind of falling flat because they're a little heavier now. So I'm going to get this, start around my eye area and curl away. And now it really stays. I'm going to use these again to shape the swoop where I want it to be, which is here. And now since it has the heat from the curling iron, it will really stay in place. Put a little more texture spray or hairspray. And then I let it go. And now it has that more swoopy effect. And it just opens up the eyes. So this is is the final look. I hope you guys like this video on how I blow dry and style my bangs. Anything else you guys want to see, comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.